Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mendeley on a MacBook. To start with, go to Google and search for Mendeley. Select the first link that is shown here, which is www.mendeley.com. Here, go to the download icon shown here. The website will automatically detect the operating system, and for me it is already showing download now for MacBook OS. Click on it and the download would start. Once the download is complete, double click to open. Now click the Mendeley Reference Manager icon and drop it to the Applications folder. The application is now installed. Let us go to the Applications, and now you see the icon appears here. Double click on it. Click Open here, and that will open the application. Now you have to log in using your email ID and password. If you have not already created an account, you can create an account and then continue to log in. Right, that takes you to the Mendeley page. Please note, I have already added a lot of files to my Mendeley library. All of those files will be shown here. Once you have completed login, make sure you click on the sync button here so that all the files will be synced once again. The next step here is to go to the Tools menu option and install both the Mendeley Web Importer as well as Mendeley Site for Microsoft Word. I'll start with install Mendeley Web Importer first. Now come here, click on Get Web Importer for Safari. It's available in the App Store. You can download it here. Right, this is now installed. Let us go to the next one. Once again, go to the Tools menu and click on Install Mendeley Site for Microsoft Office. It will go to a web page, and here you click on Get It Now. Fill all your information here and click on the agreement icon. Then click on Continue. Now you can come back to Mendeley, sync it once again. Then you can go to Word. Now here in the Microsoft Office Word, go to the References menu. And here, please note, you have to now select this icon here which says Mendeley Site. You can click on it. Mendeley would now link to your Word, and you can now start citing the documents. Right, that's about installing Mendeley for Microsoft Office Word on a MacBook. If you like this video, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more information on installing softwares on a MacBook. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.